compress picture or images online to reduce your JPG, GIF, and PNG images. So if you want to compress and reduce the size of images online, there are several tools available. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, navigate to your website that you want and navigate to the browser that you want and search for the tiny PNG. After searching for that, here you will find your tiny PNG and here you can see that you can upload your files here. After uploading your files, it will convert it to your images. Also, you can go back and search for the image compressor here. After searching for the image compressor, here you can find your image compressor and you have to upload your file here. And after that, you will simply have your image format. So these tools are all free to use for basic compression tasks and very effective at reducing file size without sacrificing too much image quality. So in this video, you will know about how you can compress picture or images online to reduce your JPG, PNG format. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.